Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today let us we discuss about some problems depend on your book page number 136 from chapter 7 fraction. Now let us we discuss about some problems. It is your question number 9 from your book. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? In this question, first you write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. Okay, now look here. Natural numbers from 102 to 113 will be 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. How many numbers are there? 12 numbers are there. There are 12 numbers. Okay, now let us we count. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 numbers. According to question, in these 12 numbers, first we take out the prime numbers. How many prime numbers? There are 4 prime numbers are there. Which are these? Prime numbers are 103, 107, 109, 113. Why we are saying all these are prime numbers? The meaning is these number divided by itself. These numbers are divided by itself, and these number has only two factor. First is 1, second is itself. Okay, so how many prime numbers are there? There are 4 prime numbers. There are 4 prime numbers. According to question, now let us we discuss about fractional part of the prime number. Fractional part of prime number will be 4 upon 12. 4 upon 12. This is the required answer of your question. Okay. Now let us we discuss about one more question. It is from your book exercise 7.1. Okay. Now look here. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. So this is the story of the question. Again, what is the requirement for this question? It is the first part of your question. How can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person has an equal share? Okay. Now in second part, what part of sandwich will each boy receive? So first we discuss about first part of the given question. Suppose this is Arya and Arya bring 2 sandwich, veg sandwich and jam sandwich. Okay. It is the diagram of veg sandwich and it is the diagram of jam sandwich. According to question, Arya divide veg sandwich into 3 equal part for their friends. Arya divide veg sandwich in 3 equal part for their friends. Again, Arya divide jam sandwich into 3 equal part for their friends. So I hope that answer of first question is here. Answer of first question is here. Answer will be Arya will divide each sandwich. Arya will divide each sandwich into 3 equal part. As you are looking, veg sandwich divided into 3 equal part, jam sandwich divided into 3 equal part. Again, and give one part of each sandwich to each one of them. Okay, I hope that this is the answer of the first part of the question. Okay, now let us we discuss about second part of the question. Second part of our question is, what part of sandwich will each boy will receive? According to question, in this paper, Arya divide veg sandwich into 3 equal part and jam sandwich divide into 3 equal part. Okay, it is the first part, second part, third part. Again, this is first part, second part and third part. Okay, so let us we discuss about solution of question number B. I made here 3 column. First is name of student, second column for veg sandwich and third column for jam sandwich. Okay, so Arya, for Arya the meaning is 1/3 of veg sandwich, 1/3 of veg sandwich for Arya and 1/3 of jam sandwich for Arya. Now look here, I wrote here, I am writing here the name of the student. This is for Arya, 1/3 of veg sandwich, again 1/3 of jam sandwich for Arya. Okay, again 1/3 of veg sandwich Abhimanyu and 1/3 of jam sandwich for Abhimanyu. Now look here, it is for Abhimanyu, it is for Abhimanyu. Veg 1/3 of veg sandwich for Abhimanyu and 1/3 of jam sandwich for Abhimanyu. Again 1/3 of veg sandwich for Vivek and 1/3 of jam sandwich for Vivek. I am writing here the name of the student. This portion for Vivek, this portion for Vivek, the meaning is 1/3 of veg sandwich for Vivek and 1/3 of jam sandwich for Vivek. So according to diagram, this question is very easy to you. Okay, I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.